Hi, this is Leon at the Computer Room Nottingham. What we've got here is an iPhone 4 that's been sent to us for repair. It's got battery connector problems. As you can see, the battery connector isn't in it. It is on the battery itself. Now what's happened is it's been removed and the battery connector has come off with the battery itself. We should be able to solder it back in. There are some issues there that we're going to have to deal with. There are 3 solder pads that have been ripped off, 2 in the middle, which are the most popular, the regular ones to come off. Also this solder pad here has been ripped off. It's taken away the pad completely and sort of ripped up or damaged this part of the copper layer on the main board. This is going to be a bit tricky, this is, because the pad sort of occupies this area here, comes up here, does its thing with these 2 components, but also, where you see that silver part there, there's a track that goes this way to the left. All that needs connecting together, so it's got continuity. So really, from this pad here, it goes up and to the left. Right now, it can't go either way, because the pad isn't there, and these 2 aren't connected. So what I'm going to have to do is devise a way to get the 2 connected, get the connector soldered down, continuity moving again so power can get into the phone, and also so that it can charge and stay switched on. Okay then, we're looking more, well, we can see more of what we're doing now. What we've done is cleaned up the solder pads. We have seen sort of what needs to be done. What we're going to do is try to solder some sort of bridge across from the upper part to the lower part that goes off to the left. What that is going to do is get the continuity going back through the 2 parts, and also give us something to solder the pin to. So I'm hoping that in all that sort of one movement we're going to be able to get that done. We'll solder down normally to the other solder pad that we're able to, and then we'll look at fixing the issues with the solder pads that aren't there. Right then, here we are. We have got the sort of replacement pad in place. What it is, it's just a tiny little bit of metal from a contact in a SIM card reader. Very, very slim, small enough to be able to sort of get where it needs to be. It's made contact, it's looking good. We're just going to solder the connector to it, and then we'll move on with the rest. Okay, we're nearly done with this repair now. We just need to sort of fix the issues with the 2 inner solder pads not being there. We've got these wires pretty much going to where they need to be. We're going to get them soldered in next, and then we'll try and power the iPhone on again. Okay, here we are. The wires are in. They're all soldered in place. As you can see, we're just going to we're just going to clip in the battery now, reassemble the iPhone, and hopefully we'll see it working again soon. Okay then, here we are, we're switched on and charging. Looking good. It's got a passcode on the phone has, but we don't need to know that, we just need to know that it switches on and charges, which it does. We've been at charging for a while now. It was at about 65-66%, I think. It's gone obviously up to what it is now, 78. It's not restarted, there's been no interruptions in the power or anything like that. If I disconnect it, there we go. Stay switched on, works absolutely fine. So that is that. Now all we need to do now is put it all back together. We've got a few things that we haven't screwed back yet. But yeah, we'll put it back together, and that is that repair done.